If you are planning to order t-shirts in bulk, one wrong fabric decision can destroy your brand. In this video, I will show you how professionals check fabric quality before placing large orders. Many new clothing brands focus on design and price, but ignore fabric quality. The truth is, customers remember how t-shirt feels more than how it looks. Before testing, you need to know what you are buying. Most t-shirts are made from cotton, polyester or blends. 100% cotton, soft and breathable. Polyester, durable but less breathable. Cotton poly blend, balance of both. Also check GSM. GSM means grams per square meter. It tells you thickness. 120 to 140 GSM equals lightweight. 160 to 80 GSM equals to standard quality. 200 plus GSM equals to premium feel. Feel the fabric carefully. High quality cotton feels soft and smooth, not rough or overly synthetic. Stress and recovery test. Stress the fabric slightly and release it. Good fabric returns to its original shape quickly. Light test. Hold the fabric against light. If it's too transparent, it may be too thin or low GSM. Wrinkle test. Crumple the fabric in your hand. If it stays heavily wrinkled, it may not hold shape well after washing. Look closely at the fabric surface. Tight, even knitting means better durability. Loose knitting means poor quality. Wash test. Always wash a sample before bulk order. Check shrinkage, check color fading, check shape after drying. This step alone can save you thousands. Biggest mistake, choosing the cheapest supplier. Cheap fabric may look good at first, but after one wash, it loses shape, color and customer trust. Always order samples first, test from multiple suppliers, ask for fabric composition details, build long-term relationship with reliable manufacturer. If you want to build a strong clothing brand, never compromise on fabric quality. Follow for more tips on apparel manufacturing and how to work with international buyers.